Hello everyone and welcome to Podcasting 101. My name is Jason and today I'm going to be taking you through the basics of everything that you need to make a podcast. In subsequent videos I'll be going into detail of every single one of these subjects, but I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get down to business. In order to make a podcast, you will need three things: a way to record your content, a way to edit your content if needed, and a host service to host your content. That's the basic idea, but let's go deeper. So a way to record your content, you will need a microphone. You can spend nothing or you can spend thousands of dollars. What you gain when you spend more money is the ability to control what you record and the quality of what you record. However, there is a point of diminishing returns when you get mid-range to the top range, and the further you go up, the smaller that return becomes. You want to buy what you can afford and not go into debt buying the best equipment. Because remember, even if you do this for fun, you still want to treat it as any other business venture that you would go into. Buy conservatively, because even if you spend thousands of dollars on equipment, the equipment that you buy will not make up for bad content. I'll delve into content on a later video, but just keep that in mind when you go for equipment. So you need a microphone, and I know that some of you out there don't have much money to spend. I've been there. So your phone or any other device that records audio will work just fine. However, if you want something basic that's really good, I highly recommend a Blue Snowball Ice microphone or a Blue Snowball. These things are fairly cheap and they work extremely well. And depending on your budget, you can go up from there with like a Yeti, which has like super awesome controls and other features on it, and other similar microphones. However, if you want my absolute honest opinion and you can only buy one single microphone, you can only afford to buy one, I would go with the regular Snowball. The reason is because on the back of the regular Snowball microphone is a switch that changes the polar pattern. And what that means is that it can record from the front, but if you switch it, it will record from both sides, which means that you can do interviews with people. And it's a really robust piece of equipment. But of course, do your research and get whatever you feel comfortable with. So you have your microphone, you have recorded your content, and you are ready to edit it. What you will need is a program to do so. There are many out there to do it. For free, you have Audacity. I personally use Adobe Audition. It comes with my subscription for the Adobe Creative Cloud, and it works really well. What you're going to want to do is clip out the and the silences in between all of that audio and make it look natural, and then level all of the stuff out if there's any problems with it. And then, of course, output to a format, usually MP3 or one of the others, but we'll get into that later. And from there, you want a hosting company. From there, you're going to take your edited content and upload it to a host service. There are many options out there. The one that I would recommend is Liberated Syndication. It's the one that I personally use. They have a ton of different tiers, starting at like $5 a month. And the tools and everything that they offer are outstanding. They're not paying me to say this. They're just the ones that I use. So you upload your content to the host sends it out to all of the podcasting platforms, iTunes, Spotify, Stitcher, Google, etc. And that is the bare bones of what you need to make a podcast. It really is that simple. And in some of my upcoming videos, I'm going to take you through the process of making a new podcast on Liberated Syndication and guide you through the steps on exactly how to make a podcast and go into detail, or at least the way that I make a podcast. So please subscribe for more, hit that like button, share this video with anybody who you think would be interested in it. If you found this video helpful and you would like to support me, there are links in the comments below. Also, you can buy my merch, Civil Mind, Savage Body. It comes in a hoodie, t-shirt, all that stuff. That will be in the description below on Teespring. You can also join my Discord server. That will also be linked in the description. Come hang out, ask questions, and just join and be a part of the community. We're just getting started. As always, thank you for watching. Happy podcasting. Stay safe out there, and I will see you next time.